All right, guys. So we're out here rinsing the car off and giving it a wash. We're gonna work on some other videos, but we figured we'd do a quick update for you. This is a 4-month update on DQUARTZ Go, and we've got DQUARTZ Go over here. We got DQUARTZ Go over there, over the top of PPF. We've got DQUARTZ Go with 1 layer. We got DQUARTZ Go with 2 layers. We got DQUARTZ Go with SIC on top. We got DQUARTZ Go with Gliss on top, and like I said, it's been about 4 months, and as you can see, it's performing. We haven't even washed it with soap yet. Over there is where the PPF is. That's on top of PPF, right up to about that door handle. Past that door handle, I don't know what's going on over there, but you can actually see the line right where the DQUARTZ Go starts, right by that door handle, where the water's flying off, and then where it's flat over there. That's whatever old coating from a couple of years ago. I think UK and SIC on top of PPF, 2-3 years old over there. So this is C-Quartz SIC over the top of dark DQUARTZ, and then there you can see a little bit of that tape line right there. And then over here, where I tried to coat back over the tape line, is DQUARTZ with Gliss on top. So Gliss and then SIC on top of DQUARTZ.